jana, yesterday. Wiki iliyopita, last week. Mwezi uliopita, last month. Nilienda, I went. Nilipika, I cooked. Nilicheza, I played. Niliona, I saw. Nilinunua, I bought. Niliuza, I sold. Nilijaribu, I tried. Nilisafiri, I traveled. Nililala, I slept. Nilikula, I ate.